For a discrete random variable, when we have probability distribution function f kecil ataupun psx, or sometimes we represent it with f kecil, so we can obtain their cumulative distribution function. Cumulative distribution function adalah f besar. F besar, you can see this one f besar. So cara dia nak buat dia lah, dia akan longkokkan probability tu satu persatu. So from the first random variable, then continue to add up. Second random variable, continue to add up to the third random variable, fourth random variable sampai akhir. So itu akan jadi probability cumulative distribution function. Cumulative maksudnya dia punya probability sudah longkok daripada satu ke satu. So dia akan ditulis sebagai F besar. Maka untuk graf dia, untuk F besar dia akan jadi macam ni lah. Dia start daripada kosong sehingga 1, dia longkok 1, lepas tu 1 sehingga 2 dan sehingga lebih besar dari 2. So dia dah longkok dan dia jadi interval. Then from the cumulative function, we need to know how to draw the graph. So graph for cumulative distribution function, we are talking about discrete. Okay, the graph will be in the shape of tangga 1, 1, 1, 1. Start dari beginning of the probability is 0. The smallest probability will have 0, right? So start from 0. Then kita tambah kita punya random variable, so dia akan nilai dia tambah lagi. So this example we can refer back. We refer back our notes before this, where we already get our probability distribution table. So let's say this is our probability distribution table. So when I want to find cumulative, alright, so I take down this probability distribution table. Sekarang kita nak longkokkan. Contohnya, start from just now, you have X. Then you have 0, 1, 2. Previously is probability only. For 0, the probability 1/4, 1/2, 1/4. So now we want to calculate the cumulative distribution, their probability. When you want to accumulate, bila kita nak kumpul satu persatu, kita start from the previous table. We start from 0. So kita tambah satu kotak sebelum random variable kita. So ini random variable kita 0, 1, 2. Kita tambah satu kotak. Starting probability dia mesti start dengan 0. Okay, start dengan 0. Lepas tu we add up. For the first random variable, we add up to 1/4. We get 1/4. So kita dah cumulative dah. So we add up the second probability. We add up 1/4 plus 1/2. We get 3/4. Then we add up. Lastly, you must get 1 because probability in total you will having 1. Maximum is 1. So this is our cumulative distribution function. Then when we want to write in function, so we read out this is 0. This is the probability of 0. So look at here. The random variable before 0, x less than 0. Understand? So 1/4 we read for this. 1/4, it is a random variable that equals to 0, but before random variable 1. So x is equals to 0, less than 1. For probability 3/4, so the random variable 4 on x equals to 1. So it will be greater equals to 1. Then smaller than 2 because you haven't reached 2. Lastly, probability is 1 for the x equal or greater than 2. So when you want to draw the graph, dia adalah bentuk tangga. So look at the interval here, less than 0. So we draw the interval, less than 0, not included. So we have empty circle. Less than 0, probability is 0. interval included 0, not included 1, included 0, not included 1, the probability boleh we can reach until tinggi sebanyak 1/4. So sini 1/4, sini 2/4, sini 3/4, sini 1. Scale dia 1/1 ya. 1/4 here, this is 2/4, this is 3/4, this is 1/4. So the printing, you cannot see it clearly. So the next interval, which is equals to 1, less than 2, equals to 1. So that's why we have 10 circle, not equals to 2 empty circle. So for this level, it will up to the probability of 3/4. Lastly, when you equals to 2 and greater than 2, so more than that, your probability height is 1. So x-axis is your random variable, y-axis adalah F besar. F besar stand for cumulative distribution function. Cumulative distribution function is the probability we already accumulate interval by interval, random variable by random variable. So that's why our last probability here we will achieve 1, maximum of the probability. So from F besar, okay, how can we, what the usage of cumulative distribution function, cumulative, let's say we want to find probability. Previously kalau kita guna probability biasa, kita kira satu-satu je lah. Kalau you nak less than 2, kita kira x equals to 0, x equals to 1, kira satu-satu. Kalau dia dah cumulative, so kita boleh terus guna function F besar ini. You'll see the maximum that you want is equals to b. So we will accumulate up to b minus your random variable in between a and b. A is not included, b is included. So we can accumulate the, when you using F besar, maksudnya that probability tu dah accumulate, dah berkumpul. So kita ambil probability dah berkumpul sehingga b, tolaklah a, tolaklah F a, sebab a tak ada equal. Alright, so I give you an example like probability between 4 and 6. So we can use F6 minus F4. Accumulate the probability until maximum 6 minus 4. We can minus 4 because 4 is not included. Minus means we get out the probability that already accumulate up to 4. So if the situation change like probability 4 is included, of course our formula will be different. We can accumulate up to 6, but when we minus that time, 4 is included. So 4 I cannot minus out. So before 8, we minus, accumulate until 3 only. 4 before 8. Random variable before 4. So maksudnya semua probability yang dah accumulate sebelum 4 tu F3 lah. F3. Alright, so discrete random variable. Kalau bukan 4, depan tu 3. Kalau bukan 3, depan lagi 2. Sebab discrete tu 1, 1, 1 dikiranya. So from here, we can also obtain another information is about median. Median is we're going to find where Fm equals to 0.5. Why 0.5? Because maximum probability is 1. In the middle, 0.5. So we want to see the probability accumulate until 0.5. Apakah random variable ini? That is our median. Alright,